I have all my things together and I am ready to go run my errands. I'm gonna pop the walker right here into the car, just in case I need something to like get around if I take my leg off. So yeah, let's go run some errands and walk into places. Oh my gosh, I can walk into places without crutches this week. And it feels so good because it feels like life is finally going in the right direction. Hello all. So yesterday I got to walk around at this park nearby, and there's like some water and stuff so you can like walk out on the docks. And that is something that I have not been able to do since before the amputation. And it's also something that I probably couldn't have done with the CRPS still. On a little bit of an adventure today to go get some exercise. Let's go! And it doesn't take much to make me happy these days. Just enjoying the little things again is like, ah! It's been a good 6 months since I've been able to walk this park, and you guys, this is amazing! I can walk again! I don't think you understand, like, oh my gosh, this is such a relief that I can walk again. It's so nice to do that again. Just walk. Alright. Kind of want to come over here into the sun, but at the same time, I think my leg's gonna get sore, so we might have to call it good for today. But how nice is it to be able to just come outside, film, be at a beautiful park, and enjoy nature again. Hey guys! We are here at one of my favorite nature parks in the area. This bridge is amazing to take photos on, and I did take a new photo on this bridge. Also, the water here is just like very, very calming, so you know, now I can good to be outside. Ah! Got to the end of the bridge. I think there I'll go sit down in this little bench over here for a minute, and then I can talk to you guys about the fact that wearing my prosthetic is improving my life. Like, I hardly ever got outside with the CRPS and everything, and so being able to like come outside, enjoy being at a park for a minute, and have the sun on my skin is truly, truly, truly an enormous blessing in my life. And I never thought that this blessing would come because I amputated. Like, that was never really the plan up until like a few months ago. That was like, hey, you know what? Maybe it's time to amputate your foot. And, you know, like I finally felt like it was the right time to do it. So I did. I amputated, and today I can walk at the nature park without any assistive devices. It makes my limbs sore, but you know what? Who freaking cares? Like, my life is getting better because I can wear a prosthetic, and it's amazing. This feeling of just like euphoria of like, oh my gosh, I couldn't do this with CRPS is really what's propelling me forward now. So I'm excited just to share that little bit with you guys of like, I can walk again! Just looking around on this bridge. I'm gonna do like a little 360 for you. So you can see that this little nature park is beautiful.